So guys, I'm going my work task. I got this. Wait, Tamara sweater. So this is my work stuff. My stickers. Bag. Last time I'm video my toys. Now my work stuff is new now. This is the sticker. Sticker. Whoa! This is the photo cards. This is my toy. The last time. The glasses. This is my pencil. Two pencils. That's three sharpeners, one clip, one keychain, and the eraser, three stickers, maybe four stickers. But bacon, this is my bandage. That's all. And let's get started. So I need to wear my glasses. Maybe it is weird. Let's get count my photo card. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 photos. That's this all. This is my sticker. So cute. So you want to see? I'm drawing. Maybe that part 3. That's part 3. Right guys? Part 3. Part 3, right? This is my bandage. I wish everyone liked to subscribe to me. Because I just a kid. I'm 9 years old and I live in Philippines. And I speak English. So my school is Philippines. So thanks for watching. Bye. So like and subscribe. Bye. Like and subscribe me. Please.